What's the meaning of acquit? Acquit. 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 The term acquit is a legal term that refers to the act of freeing someone from criminal charges or allegations. When someone is acquitted, they are found not guilty of the crime for which they were accused. This can happen for several reasons, such as lack of evidence or the inability to prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. Acquittal usually results in the person being released from custody and their record cleared of any criminal charges. It is an important legal principle that ensures that individuals are not wrongfully punished for crimes they did not commit.